We spent all summer chasing a good solid rip out of this 80mm Charger.
Yeah, so we got an S488 from VS Racing, and we finally made a full pass down the track. Actually took first place in our class with it.
So we've been trying for this all season, and then we get accused of shooting nitrous afterwards. But more on that later.
It's a T6 and 1.15 housing, and we went up to full chooch mode.
So being that we cannot leave good enough alone,
I found something on the side of the road. Oh my god. Woo. So this is what we're gonna do for our next adventure. So this is the girlfriend. This is the guy she told you not to worry about.
something about a dyno, and there's some stuff to be done on 6 liters that hasn't been done yet.
And our wall of broken turbos.
Ooh, look, all the stuff the bank doesn't want back.
Like, what?
Well, here we are, 15 minutes. We still have to stick a gasket in there, but for some nice little mock-up purposes, it is a minty 15 minutes. Well, what are we betting here? We're betting the hood's gonna close. Oh, oh. Straight to jail. Look at it go. What are you doing?
Taking a pretty picture.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Hey, you wondering the same thing as I am?
What?
Knock it off.
3:28 a.m. Seconds later.
So yeah, here's where we come full circle to the Nitrous story.
Circle back with you. I'll have to just circle back with you. I'm happy to circle back with you. I can circle back. I'll have to just circle back with you. We can circle back. I'm happy to circle back with you. I can circle back. I will have to circle back on that one.
The next day.
Here we have it, another whole can of ether. It's gonna be a good day. got a brand new paint job. Nice, completely stock, 400 Ford.